Today we have the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 SUV. We're going on a test drive. Under the hood is a handcrafted AMG 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine producing 603 horsepower with 627 pound-feet of torque. It has an AMG SpeedShift TCT 9-speed automatic transmission as well as the AMG Active Ride Control suspension based on AMG Ride Control Plus, as well as the AMG Performance 4MATIC all-drive system and the AMG Dynamic Select options. The exterior color is the black. Interior has the AMG Black exclusive Napa leather. Total retail $156,000. Some of the optional equipment and value-added packages has the warmth and comfort package, which means heated front armrests and door panels, as well as the heated armrest in rear, and also the AMG Night package, which means the front splitter, front rear apron, finished in the high gloss black elements, as well as the AMG exhaust system and twin tailpipes in black chrome. It's a fantastic car. Interior comfort features has a 12.3-inch touchscreen display at the center, as well as the 12.3-inch widescreen digital instrument cluster with Mercedes-Benz navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Let's go on a test drive in this new 2024 AMG GLS 63 SUV. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have the 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 SUV. Going on a test drive. This is the driver's perspective. Enjoy the video. Wow. Impressive. Under the hood is an AMG 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine producing over 600 horsepower, 603 with 627 pound-feet of torque. Sounds incredible. folks. This is just such a beast of an SUV. Arguably the most powerful SUV from Mercedes-Benz is the GLS 63. We also have the GLS 63S as well, the SUV as well as the coupe, in case it doesn't get even more confusing. Wow, I'm gonna turn up the AC because it's getting quite warm in here. Wow. Love the animation.